Are you looking to gain the confidence to acquire clients, but the confidence to get the smooth shots in close proximity? Are you looking for the confidence to have the systems behind the lens so that you can scalably serve all of your clients and build a business that empowers you to be out in nature and do what you love? Then you don't want to miss the Drone U Experience training taking place this October 15th through 23rd in the beautiful, picturesque Rocky Mountains of Colorado. The Drone U Experience training is the ultimate drone training retreat and drone adventure that's going to give you the hands-on flight experience and real-world scenarios to build your confidence in flight and to build your confidence to gain clients. Look, if you're passionate about flying drones and you love leaving all of your problems on the ground as you take flight and you love leaving the competition behind you, then you do not want to miss this training. Because the Drone U Experience training is designed to provide an immersive and hands-on learning experience that you will never forget. Honestly, one of the highlights of this training is that we build the confidence through a systemic system of exercises and real-world scenarios, because it's significant hands-on flight time over the course of the week in many different types of environments that are going to help you cover your bases so that when problems arise, you know exactly how to fix them and continue to serve your clients.
Well, it's very thorough, it's very professional, so the value is huge.
You want to learn from somebody who's a little bit better than you. You want to learn from somebody who's a true master, who can answer all your questions and they just know a tremendous amount about the industry, about the technology, about the hardware, all of it.
Look, just imagine yourself capturing breathtaking aerials against the backdrop of the picturesque, stunning Rocky Mountains as our training takes place in the beautiful, colorful Colorado, where you're going to be surrounded by nature's beauty at every turn. At the Drone U Experience training, you don't have to worry about lodging or your delicious meals, as comfort is our priority and we take care of you. You can eliminate all the distractions of the real world to make sure that you can significantly lower that learning curve and gain the confidence necessary to do exactly what you love and turn your passion into profit. Look, the Drone U Experience training is not just about 7 days of hands-on immersive flight experiences. We believe in a comprehensive training solution for you, which is why we're going to have photo editing and video editing as a part of this master class. Look, and that's not all. We want to make sure that you have a comprehensive training experience. That's why we're going to offer training in orthomosaics, enabling you to create detailed and accurate aerial maps. You're going to master the art of stitching together multiple images into a seamless mosaic, a skill that opens up exciting and scalable opportunities in various industries as a whole. By the end of the Drone U Experience training, you're going to be able to create the most common deliverables with confidence. You'll create smooth videos in close proximity and lower than the competition. You'll create captivating photos, aerial photos, and panos, and accurate mosaic maps. Look, if you're ready to unlock your full potential and you want the practice to gain the confidence on the stick skills, to have the confidence in the boardroom, do not miss the Drone U Experience training. Our last training sold out in the first week, and I recommend that you sign up. There's a few extras that are going to be options to this training as well. Option number one is we're going to have Jake Levesque, who's been really an amazing video creator and has worked for MTV for years now in creating stunning aerials for a variety of shows that you've seen. But one of the best parts about what Jake provides is his ability to show you off. So if you want videos that showcase your confidence and ability to deliver on the products that you're offering, Jake is going to make a video of you in wide and portrait so that you can actually market yourself while you're gaining the confidence at the training. So if you're ready to revolutionize your business, have more fun, spend more times outside, leave the competition behind you, and have the confidence to sell yourself and fly the jobs that you've always wanted, then I'll see you at the Drone U Experience training.